Welcome to this program. All the students are written well in the online test 8th and they have scored high mark in this unit. Congratulations to all. Now we are going to discuss about the answer for the question. Question number 1. Choose the correct order of reactivity towards the electrophilic substitution. The correct answer is C. Pyrrole is greater than furan, greater than thiophene, greater than benzene. In pyrrole, the presence of nitrogen atom increases the reactivity towards the electrophilic substitution. And then oxygen, the least one is thiophene. The correct answer for this question is C. Question number 2. Match the list 1 with the list 2 and select the correct answer. In list 1, the compounds are given and list 2, the dipole moments are given. We are going to match list 1 with list 2. First case, pyrrole has the dipole moment of 1.81 D. Furan has the dipole moment of 0.70 D. And thiophene has a dipole moment of 1.87 D. And tetrahydrofuran has a dipole moment of 1.73 D. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is A. And you look the value. The thiophene has the highest dipole moment, that is 1.87 D. And pyrrole has the next dipole moment 1.81 D. And the next one is, let us consider the thiophene, which has the value of 1.73 D. The least one is furan, 0.70 D. The correct answer for this question is A. Question number 3. Furan is treated with the Cl2 at minus 40 degrees C. The correct answer is all of this. It gives 2-chlorofuran, B 2,5 dichlorofuran, C 2,3,5 trichlorofuran. About this reaction, furan gives all the three products. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is D. Question number 4. Which of the following are aromatic? 14-alanine and 18-alanine are aromatic. According to Huckel's rule, 4n plus 5 pi electron. And option 2, 12 aniline and 16 aniline are not aromatic. C, ferrocene and azulene are aromatic. And all cis 10 alanine are not aromatic. The correct answer for this question is C, 1 and 3. 14 alanine, 18 alanine, ferrocene and azulene. These 4 compounds are aromatic in nature. 5. The IUPAC name of fluorine is, the option is A, 5-methylidamine cyclopenta 1,3 diene. The structure is given as in the figure. So the correct answer is A. Question number 6. Match the list 1 and list 2 and choose the correct answer. And list 1, the heterocyclic compounds are given, and list 2, their IUPAC names are given. And we have to choose the correct IUPAC name for the heterocyclic compounds given in the list 1. Here, if we consider pyrrole, the IUPAC name is azole. For furan, the IUPAC name is oxole. For pyridine, the IUPAC name is azine. And for aerosol, the IUPAC name is 1,2 diazole. The correct answer for this question is C. Question number 7. Choose the wrong statement from the following. Here, these rules are followed to name the heterocyclic compound. And we have to find out the correct statement from the following. A. If a heteroatoms are different, the numbering starts from heteroatom of the highest group in the periodic table and low an atomic number when in the same group. 2. The size of the monoheterocyclic ring is indicated by suffix "whole" for 5-membered and "ine" for 6-membered ring. These two statements are correct. C. In monoheterocyclic, numbering is given in such a way that the heteroatom gets the lowest number and proceeds in the clockwise around the ring. That statement is wrong. Therefore, the correct option for this question is C. When the heteroatoms are different, the numbering is given in accordance with the priority order in rule 1 and proceed around the ring in a priority order. This is also correct. Therefore, option C is wrong. The correct answer for this question is C. For this wrong statement, the correct statement is in monoheterocyclic, numbering is given in such a way that the heteroatom gets the lowest number and proceeds in anti-clockwise around the ring. That is the correct statement. Question number 8. Choose the product from the following reaction. Here, the succinaldehyde is treated with 3 different reagents. The one is the succinaldehyde treated with P2O5, it gives furan. And it is the compound is treated with ammonia, it gives pyrrole. And the same compound is treated with P2S5, it gives thiophene. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is A. Furan, pyrrole and thiophene. 9. Furan is treated with ammonia Al2O3 in steam. Find out the correct product for the reaction. The correct product for the reaction is pyrrole. Furan is treated with ammonia Al2O3 in steam. It gives the product pyrrole. Correct answer is B. Number 10. Arrange the following in the increasing order of boiling point. Here, the option B, the correct answer is option B is correct. Furan is less than benzene, is less than thiophene, is less than pyrrole. The pyrrole has the highest boiling point and furan has the lowest boiling point, and their boiling points are given below. Furan 32 degrees C, benzene 80 degrees C, thiophene 84 degrees C, pyrrole 131 degrees C. This is the correct answer is B. 11. Which of the following compound has the high molecular weight? The correct answer for the question is C. Thiophene. The molecular formula and the molecular weights are given. For pyrrole, C4H5N67, 4 carbon, 4 into 12, 48 plus 5 hydrogen 5, 48 plus 5, 53 plus 14, nitrogen 14, the molecular weight is 67. For furan, molecular formula C4H4O, the molecular weight is 68. For thiophene, C4H4S, the molecular weight is 84. For benzene, C6H6, the molecular weight is 78. Therefore, the thiophene has the high molecular weight. The correct answer is C. 12. Arrange the following in the increasing order of dipole moment, and which we have already discussed in the previous question. The correct answer is D. Thiophene greater than pyrrole greater than furan greater than benzene. 1.87D greater than 1.81D greater than 0.7D greater than 0. Benzene has a dipole moment of 0. The correct answer for this question is D. 13. Choose the correct decreasing order of reactivity from the following. The answer for this question is A. Pyrrole is greater than furan, which is greater than thiophene, which is greater than benzene. It is explained by using the reaction energy. The pyrrole has the energy of 87.8 and furan is 70.1 and thiophene 117 and benzene 1.505. Compared with the furan, the pyrrole has higher energy even though the reactivity is high in pyrrole because of the presence of nitrogen atom. The correct answer for this question is A. Question number 14. In general, the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction occurs in 5-membered ring heterocyclic compound. The correct option is B. 2 or 5 at alpha position. The intermediate carbocation is stabilized by resonance at 2nd and 5th position when compared with the other position. The correct answer is B. Question number 15. On chlorination with S2Cl2, pyrrole gives. The correct answer is C. 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrachloropyrrole is the correct answer. Similarly, on bromination also it gives the same product 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrabromopyrrole. For this question, the correct answer is C. 16. Choose the correct products from the following reaction. Thiophene is treated with CH3COO-NO2 and acetic anhydride CH3CO2O minus 10 degrees C nitration. Here the correct answer is C, both A and B. 2-nitrothiophene 70%, 3-nitrothiophene 5%. The correct answer is C. Question number 17. Choose the product for the following reaction. Thiophene is treated with sodium and liquid ammonia. It is an example for Fritsch reduction. It gives product A and B. A is the 2,3 dihydrothiophene. B is the 2,5 dihydrothiophene. Option C is correct. Question number 18. Which of the following compound undergoes Diels-Alder reaction? The correct answer is C. Furan is the correct answer. Furan is the least aromatic and behave as a conjugated diene and to undergo Diels-Alder reaction to form an adduct with powerful dienophile like malic anhydride, and the explanation is given in the next slide. The equation with the explanation is given in the next slide. Which of the following compound does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction? The correct answer is C. Pyridine. Pyridine does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction because AlCl3 and other Lewis acid like CrO3 form addition product with pyridine. The correct answer for this question is C. Question number 20. Choose the correct reagent from the following reduction reaction. Pyrrole gives 2,5 dihydropyrrole. Furan gives tetrahydrofuran. Thiophene gives tetrahydrothiophene and thiophene gives butane. The answer is given in the next slide. Here the correct answer is A. For the first reaction, the reagent is Zn in ACOH2. For second reaction, Raney nickel. For third reaction, excess of palladium, and fourth reaction, H2 bar Ni. The correct answer for this question is A. 21. Choose the correct statement from the following regarding pyrrole. Number 1. The molecular formula of pyrrole is C4H5N and it is represented as a diene. 2. It shows aromaticity and it undergoes aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction at 2 and B beta position It is wrong. 3. It is a basic in nature. It is also wrong. And it has a plus structure. It is correct. The statement 1 and 4 are correct statement. The correct answer for this question is A. For the incorrect statement 2 and 4, the correct statement is, for this statement 2, it shows aromaticity and it will undergo aromatic substitution reaction. 2 and 5, it is alpha position. And for the statement 3, it is almost neutral. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is A. Question number 22. The correct order of aromaticity among the given heterocyclic is, the correct answer is A. The aromaticity of pherol is greater than furan and which is greater than thiophene. The correct answer is A. 23. 2-bromopyridine is treated with ammonia. It gives 2-amino protein plus HBr. The intermediate for the above reaction is, one is carbocation, C carbanion, C benzene, D het arene. The correct answer is D. Het arene is. The ring N in pyridine has a marked activating effect for the nucleophilic attack at the ring halogen and it forms a het arene as an intermediate. The correct answer is D. 24. The nucleophilic substitution in pyridine occurs at 2 and 4 position. The correct answer is A. 25. The aromatic electrophilic substitution of pyridine occurs at, the correct answer is C, 3 or beta position. This is due to the most stable carbocation as intermediate during this course of the reaction. The correct answer for the question is C. 25. Which of the following synthesis is used to prepare quinoline? Correct answer is D. Scarp synthesis. Question number 27. Choose the correct statement from the following regarding quinoline. 1. The electrophilic substitution occurs at C5 and C8 position. It is correct. 2. The nucleophilic substitution occurs at 2 and 4th position. It is also correct. 3. It undergoes Friedel-Crafts reaction. It is wrong. 4. It consists of 4n plus 2 pi electron and it is aromatic in nature. The statement 1, 2, 4 are correct. Therefore, the correct option for this question is B. For the incorrect statement, the correct statement is it does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. 28. Which of the following will undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction? A. Quinoline, B. 8-methoxyquinoline, C. isoquinoline, D. pyridine. The correct answer is B. You know very well, quinoline, isoquinoline and pyridine do not undergo electrophilic substitution reaction due to the presence of activating group methoxy group. 8-methoxyquinoline undergoes Friedel-Crafts reaction. This is due to the presence of the activated group methoxy group on the benzene nucleus. The substitution occurs at a carbocyclic ring only and it is explained by the equation given below. 8-methoxyquinoline is treated with CH3COCl, AlCO3. It is an example of Friedel-Crafts reaction. It gives 5-acetyl 8-methoxyquinoline. Question number 29. Isoquinoline react with the alkyl halide. It forms watery salt. This digests. The one is the presence of tertiary nitrogen in the pyridine ring. Correct. The pyridine ring should be fused with the benzene ring through the carbon pair. It is also correct. C. 3. The 5 double bonds present in this compound. It is wrong. 4. Benzene ring is more sensitive to undergo oxidation than pyridine in the ring. The correct statements are 1, 2, 4. C is the correct answer. And the 5 double bonds present in the ring cannot be explained by the quaternary salt formation. Number 30. On vigorous oxidation of quinoline with alkaline K-4, it gives A. Pyridine 2,4 dicarboxylic acid, B. Pyridine 2,3 dicarboxylic acid, C. Oxalic acid, D. B and C. The correct answer is D. Quinoline oxidation with alkaline K-4, it gives quinolinic acid, that is pyridine 2,3 dicarboxylic acid plus oxalic acid. The correct option is D. And similarly, you can expect the oxidation of quinoline in the presence of acid also. It is discussed in the following questions. 31. 4,5 benzopyridine is. The correct answer is isoquinoline. The structure of isoquinoline is also given in the figure. Option B is correct. 32. Choose the correct statement from the following regarding the quinoline. The molecular formula of the compound is C8H7N. It is wrong. 2. The carbon atom is a sp2 hybrid and attached to 3 atoms by sigma bond. Correct. C. Nitrogen atom is also sp2 hybrid and attached to 2 adjacent carbon atom by sigma bond, and remaining sp2 hybrid orbital carries a lone pair of electron. It is also correct. 4. All carbon and 1 nitrogen and 7 hydrogen lie in the plane. It is also correct. The correct answer for this question is B. 2, 3, 4. Option 1 is wrong. For this wrong formula, the correct formula is C9H7N. The correct answer for the question is B. Question number 33. Choose the correct statement from the following regarding isoquinone. And here option 1 is, it is also known as alpha, beta benzopyridine. It is wrong. 2. It undergo electrophilic substitution and enucleophilic substitution. It shows the presence of benzene and pyridine ring. It is correct. C. On oxidation with alkyl K-4, it gives a mixture of phthalic acid and synchromic acid. It shows that one benzene ring fused with the pyridine ring at alpha, beta position. It is wrong. 4. According to Hacker's rules, it shows aromatic property. It is correct. Therefore, the option 2 and 4 are correct. The correct answer for this question is C. For the incorrect statement, that is 1, it is also known as, that is beta gamma benzopyridine instead of alpha beta gamma benzopyridine. And for statement 3, the oxidation with the alkaline K-4, it gives a mixture of phthalic acid and synchromic acid. It shows that one benzene ring is fused with the pyridine at a beta, alpha position. These are the correct statement for the wrong statement 2 and 3. Which of the following syntheses are used to prepare the isoquinoline? The correct answer is D. All these above A, B, C are used for the synthesis of isoquinone. The correct answer is D. The compound which gives a cherry red color with pine salt moistened with alcohol is, option is C, indole. Indole it gives cherry red color with this pine salt moistened with alcohol. The correct answer is C. 36. Choose the correct compound from the following important properties of the compound. 1. It is a bright yellow solid and the melting point is 85 degrees C. 2. It exhibits hetoenol tautomerism. C. In alkaline solution, it is oxidized by air to give what dye? The correct option is C. Indoxyl is the correct answer, or indoxyl is nothing but 3-hydroxy indole. The correct answer is C. 37. Choose the correct compound from the following. The important properties of the compound. 1. It occurs in jasmine flowers and orange blossom. 2. It is a crystalline solid, melting point minus 52 degrees C with a pleasant smell. C. It undergoes electrophilic substitution at a position 3 or position occur at 6 of the benzene ring. 4. It undergoes managed reaction with formaldehyde and dimethylamine to form a gramine. The correct answer is D. Indole is the correct answer. 38. The synthesis involves cyclization of an orthoacyl amidotoluene by strong base like sodamide or sodium tetrabutoxide. The correct answer is B. That is Hand-Sachs synthesis. This is for synthesis of indole. 39. The heterocyclic compound which is the most reactive towards electrophilic substitution reagent is B. Birol. This may be due to the presence of the nitrogen in the ring which we have already discussed. Question number 40. The scar synthesis is used to prepare A. Pyridine, B. Isoquinoline, C. Quinoline, D. All of this. And here the correct answer is 41. The 5-membered heterocyclics containing 2 nitrogen atoms are called, option is D. Pyrrosol and imidazole. Option D is the correct answer. And for 1,2-pyrrosol is also called 1,2-diazole. Imidazole is 1,3-diazole. The epoch name of the compound containing 2 nitrogen atoms. The correct option is D. Pyrrosol and imidazole. 42. The nucleophilic substitution in quinoline occurs at, the option B is correct, alpha position or the second position. 43. Which one of the following on reduction with nickel H2 undergo dissection of ring? The correct answer is C. Thiophene, and it is explained in the equation. Thiophene is treated with H2Ni. Dissection of ring takes place, it gives butane. The ring is collapsed, it gives butane. 44. Oxidation of isoquinoline with alkaline KMnO4 gives A. Quinolic acid, B. Nicotinic acid, C. Synchromeric acid, D. Piconolic acid. The correct answer is C. On oxidation with the alkaline KMnO4, it gives a mixture of phthalic acid and synchromeric acid. Option C is correct. It is explained in the equation. Isoquinone oxidizes with the alkane KMnO4. It gives phthalic acid and synchromonic acid. 43. Which of the following are flovine? It is, we have already discussed in the previous question. The option B is correct. 5-methylidine cyclopenta 1,3 diene is the correct answer. Question number 46. Which of the following compound gives nicotinic acid on oxidation with the KMnO4 in H+? Here the correct answer is C, quinoline. Quinoline is treated with the KMnO4 in the presence of acid. It gives quinolic acid. On decarboxylation, it gives nicotinic acid. Option C is correct. And this oxidation reaction is explained in the equation. 47. Thiophene is treated with the P2O5. It gives compound X. And which is treated with the sodium and liquid ammonia, it gives compound Y and Z. The compound X is thiophene. The compound, it is a X will undergo Fritz reduction. It gives 2,3 dihydrothiophene and 2,5 dihydrothiophene. The compound X is thiophene, Y is 2,3 dihydrothiophene and compound Z is 2,5 dihydrothiophene. A is the correct answer. 48. Match the following. The compounds are given and the properties also given. You have to compare the compound 1 with their property. The correct answer for this question is C. The ferrocene is 170 degree C, orange solid aromatic, and azolene is 99 degree C, blue solid aromatic, and 18 aluline is aromatic planar structure, and flovine is C6H6 ligand in organic chemistry. The correct option for this question is C. 1, 4, 2, 3. 49. And we have to calculate, we have to find out the reagent used in step 1 and step 2. Here the correct answer is 4, Br2, heating with quinoline. Step 1, Br2 is used. In step 2, heating with quinoline, you will get the steam product. The explanation is given in the option D is the correct answer. Question number 50. And a furan is treated with ammonia in steam Al2CO3, it gives compound X. Which is on oxidation in the presence of CrO3 with acetic acid, it gives compound Y. The compound XnYR. The option A is correct. One is A, that is pyridine and their oxide. A is the correct answer for this reaction.